again, it's me. You know who I am. You know why I'm here. You know why I have this box. And if you don't, then you've been missing out. But then you're just, you should be excited to be here. Because what I have in this box, I'm really excited about this one actually, is fiber. Yeehaw! And this is some really gorgeous fiber. Hang on. I gotta do my thing here. Ugh, it's never ending. And this isn't even all of the ones. So this is a BFL silk from Alexandria. Alexandra, I apologize. And it is just beautiful. It is a hand-dyed BFL silk mixture. And it comes in just a variety of beautiful colors. Check this one out. I love this one. There's something about this one. My eyes keep coming back to it. And then one of our lovely people in our shop spun it up for us so we can see how beautiful it is. I'll come closer here in just a second. It is this one here on the end. But it is just as lovely as ever. Everything about BFL and silk that you love is all in here. BFL, of course, is a really beautiful, lustrous long wool. And silk is silk. I don't have to tell you what silk is about. But these are going to go on sale for 20% off of normal price, which is excellent. And it'll be going on sale this coming Friday. So check it out if you need some fiber to fill your stocking.